Troubleshooting an unresponsive touchscreen in Windows 11. When the notebook or all-in-one touchscreen does not respond or responds intermittently, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. If you are not sure that your computer has a touchscreen, use one of the following methods to confirm. In Windows, search for and open View Pen and Touch Info. If the Pen and Touch section reads no pen or touch input is available for this display, the computer does not have a touchscreen. Alternatively, check your product specifications on the HP site or check the labels on your computer or its product packaging. Run a Windows update in Windows 11. Update your Windows 11 computer using Windows Update. Refer to the Running a Windows 11 Update support video on detailed instructions on how to install the application on your computer. Configure the touch display to identify your screen as a touchscreen. In Windows, search for and open Settings. In Settings, search for and open Calibrate the screen for pen and touch input. On the Display tab, click Setup. Click Touch Input, then follow the on-screen directions to identify your screen as a touchscreen. Tap the screen to see if it responds. If it does not, continue to the next step. Use the HP PC Hardware Diagnostics UEFI tests to detect problems with the touchscreen hardware. Connect the AC adapter to the computer. Then turn off the computer by pressing the power button for at least 5 seconds. Turn on the computer and immediately press Escape repeatedly. When the startup menu appears, press F2. When the HP PC Hardware Diagnostics UEFI screen opens, click Component Tests. Then click Touchscreen. First, perform the touch pointer test and then the drag and drop test. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to complete each test. If one or both tests fail, write down the failure ID, 24-digit code, and contact HP customer support. If you have passed all the diagnostics tests but the issue is still not resolved, continue to the next step. Power settings can cause the touchscreen to stop working after waking from sleep. Change the power settings so that the touchscreen stays active while the computer is in sleep mode. In Windows, search for and open Device Manager. In the list of devices, expand the Human Interface Devices list. Right-click the HID-compliant touchscreen device, and then click Properties. On the Power Management tab, remove the selection from the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power checkbox and click OK. The touchscreen should work after waking the computer from sleep. If not, continue to the next step. Installing an updated version of the BIOS and the graphics card driver might repair touchscreen functionality. Find and download the latest BIOS update listed for your computer on the HP support site. Refer to the Update Your HP Computer BIOS from Windows support video for detailed instructions on how to find, download, and install the latest BIOS update on your computer. You can use Device Manager, HP Support Assistant, or the HP Support website to install updated graphics drivers. Refer to the Finding Windows 11 Drivers and Software support video for instructions on how to install updated graphics drivers on your computer using Device Manager. Refer to the Using HP Support Assistant in Windows 11 support video for more information on how to install updated graphics drivers via HP Support Assistant. Navigate to the Software and Driver Downloads page on the HP Support website for the latest graphics drivers for your computer. If none of the previous steps worked, perform a hard reset. Perform a hard reset of your notebook to clear information without erasing your personal data. If your computer features a non-removable battery, Refer to the Performing a Hard or Forced Reset on Your HP Notebook Fixed Battery support video for detailed instructions on how to perform a hard reset. If your computer features a removable battery, refer to the Performing a Hard or Forced Reset on Your HP Notebook Removable Battery support video. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.